Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations, Meditations, Explorations, Contemplations, Reverberations. I'm Gandharva. Welcome back. Please share these videos, let everybody know, especially that today, let them know that today is Tuesday. Well, everybody knows that, hopefully. But let them know that Tuesday vibrationally is the warrior energy. Warrior, get things done, do it today, quickly, accomplish whatever you set your mind to today. And also as a little spiritual exercise, a warrior exercise, do something you don't like. Put your mind to it. Set your mind to it and say, I'm going to do something I don't like today. And I'm going to see it through. I'm going to accomplish it. It's a good exercise. Try it. Try it. Maybe watch the movie Ghost Dog. Ghost Dog. Woo. Great movie. All about being a warrior. I've got the red vinyl Ghost Dog soundtrack right behind me, and red is the color of the day. So be a samurai today. Watch a samurai movie. I know my friend Thomas Paine knows a lot about that, and he's a warrior. Here are some other things that the warrior is about, in no particular order, and in fact though, beginning with the letter F. The warrior is about falcons, and fangs, and fearlessness, and feats, F-E-A-T-S. Not like your feet's too big. Ferocity, feuds, fevers, feverish ailments, fights, fighters, prize fighters, files, carpenters, fires, oh of course, fire, fiery red, woo. Firearms, fire bugs, fire departments, fire eaters, fire engines, firemen, fire women, occupations connected with fire, fireplaces, fireworks, firecrackers. It's also the day to listen to music by the great Charlie Haden, a spiritual warrior. Charlie Parker, a spiritual warrior. Graham Parsons, a spiritual warrior. Neil Young, a spiritual warrior. The great Roy Haynes. Is that you, Roy? Roy, is that you? The great Roy Haynes, a spiritual warrior. The great Chet Baker, spiritual warrior. Prince, spiritual warrior. Steve Jobs, spiritual warrior. Frank Sinatra, spiritual warrior. Get out there today and be strong, be determined, be fiery, be intense. Don't let anything stop you. Do it. Do it. Do it today. Do it now. Do it right this second. Do not wait. This is your day, Warriors. It's Tuesday.